Hello everyone, welcome to a video on decision structures from chapter 7 in the textbook. We've covered decision structures before, if statements, else, etc. Back in, I don't know, maybe week 2 or 3, but I never had a video developed for it, so I thought I'd develop one at this time. So let's go back in time to our friend, the temperature converter, okay? Convert temp, and this function is going to convert a Celsius temperature into a Fahrenheit temperature, right? So let's do some work here. Celsius equals eval input. Enter a temp in Celsius. Yeah, that's good. And we'll do that. And then we'll say the Fahrenheit conversion of that equals 9/5 times the Celsius temperature plus 32. Okay. So just to test that, we should print out Celsius and Fahrenheit to make sure that our code is correct. And I'll just name this thing convert as soon as it comes up, and I'll call it convert. I'm going to replace the one I have there already. I'll run it. Okay. And let's run the code. So we know that 100 should be 212 Fahrenheit, right? 100 Celsius should be 212, right? So there's our little check. In fact, let's just run it one more time. We should do 2 checks. And if we do 32 Celsius, we should get what? Oop, is that correct? No, I didn't want that. Convert temp. So what temperature is freezing in Celsius? So if we do 0 Celsius, we get 32 Fahrenheit. That's more like it. So our code is working. But now let's just say that if the Fahrenheit temperature conversion is greater than or equal to 90, then we want to print out it's super hot outside. Okay? Just like that. Just like that. And only if the Fahrenheit temperature is in fact greater than or equal to 90. Okay? So let's run this. So let's do this one. Here we go. Let's enter 100 because 100 Celsius is 212 Fahrenheit, right? So there it is. It's super hot outside, okay? So that's working. So we were able to encode Python code, make a decision that said if this condition, which is Fahrenheit greater than or equal to 90, is true, then print out it's super hot outside. So let's run it one more time. And let's enter 32 degrees Celsius. 32 degrees Celsius. Come on, Mr. Beach Ball. What's going on here? Let me run this again. Interesting. Come on, Python. I think my Mac is running. No, my backups are off. Let me run it again. It's always something with computers, right? Let's see. Wow. Totally bizarre. Ah! There it is! Good. I didn't want to have to do this over. Okay, so let's enter 32 Celsius, which is 89.6 degrees. So we didn't hit 90, okay? So if I run convert temp again, okay, and we'll do 33, then it's hot outside, right? So let's do it one more time, convert temp to get it to fail. If it's 0 Celsius, that is 32 degrees, so nothing happened, see? The decision isn't running because it's just saying, nope, condition is not true, so don't execute the code blocks below here, okay? Now, could we put another if statement here? Could we say if, let's see, if Fahrenheit is less than, say, 30, then print out, brrr, it's cold outside. Could we do that? I think we can. So Fahrenheit less than 30. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, come on. Hopefully it'll run this time. Do 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 do. Yay. So let's enter 0. So that is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So it wasn't less than 30, right? So it didn't run. So let's go convert temp again. And let's go minus 10. So look at that. The new temperature in Fahrenheit is 14 degrees. And brr, it's cold outside, printed out. So do you see how these if statements work? Okay. So that's what I wanted to show you in this movie. In the next movie, I'll show you how we can expand on these if statements to do other things with them. And before we go, right, this is greater than or equal to, right? We could do less than or equal to, or we can say it's exactly equal to, right? And we can say not equal to 90 as well, okay? So, just so you know, if you look on page 205 of your book in the lower right-hand corner, there's a little table there that talks about the various mathematical expressions that you can have, operators that you can have here, to make comparisons.